What's up, guys? Welcome to channel Traffic Freak.
So today we are taking you to the most iconic destination in Singapore, that is Universal Studio, which is in Sentosa Island.
This is the entry gate of Universal Studio.
The operating time for Universal Studio is 11 to 6,
Yes, 11 to 6.
and children up to age of 4, there is no ticket for them.
But there is a height criteria.
In each ride. So they are scanning the tickets.
This is the entrance in Universal Studio.
Where
Both side of the road you can see various marts.
very smart shops like Minion Shop and others. From here you can purchase large number of goodies, stuffed toys, Universal Studio goodies and other things. But these shops are comparatively bit expensive.
Normal keychain cost around about $10.
Yeah, more than 10.
This is the meet and greet area where people used to take photographs with different characters. We have different rides here, different shows in this.
Actually, Universal Studio is divided into 7 theme zones like Sci-Fi City, Jurassic Park, Ancient Egypt, etc.
This is in ancient Egypt,
Yeah.
treasure hunt. As you can see,
Actually, queues are very. There are like very long queues for each ride,
yeah,
and the waiting time for in the queue is like minimum 20 minutes, maximum is 45 minutes or
in
up.
some rides it was more than 90 minutes also.
Yes.
It's up to you. You have to just purchase a ticket that costs around about $82. It can vary according to season, but approximately say $82. You can take any ride according to you, according to your kids.
There are three types of tickets. Like one is normal ticket, the other one is express ticket, in which you can skip any one queue, and the other is premium express tickets. In that you can skip major queues except 2 or 3 rides.
Yeah, but that costs a lot. So most of people don't go for that. They just buy the normal tickets. This is a ride in which there is not any criteria because it's a normal ride. That's why. Otherwise, most rides, your child should be height should be above 90 centimeters.
Yeah, and try to come on weekdays and no public holidays if possible, as there are huge rush. Various school crowds and other groups come to this place.
This is the outer view of the dragon ride. As I told you earlier, there is a criteria for height for the children, but in this ride the criteria was below 90 centimeters.
And other criteria is uh, they will not allow you to carry stuff with you. If you have any bags or something, you can put there only.
Or they are having lockers, paid lockers also. You can.
And free lockers also,
Free
like
locker.
up to 60 minutes.
Yeah. This is a dinosaur section.
Yeah, these are the giant dinosaurs and giant's egg.
Overall, everyone will enjoy because there are many things for everyone. For foodies, there are different food joints. Who love rides, there are different kind of rides. And if age people want to just enjoy their day, they can. Thing is that you have to purchase a ticket and do whatever you want to do.
And there is no limitation. If you want to take a particular ride like 2 times, you can. But again, you have to enter in the queue.
Yeah.
So this particular ride, it has a very long queue, and we waited approximately 40 minutes for this.
And that's the reason you can't take every ride because you have to wait. The waiting time is more than 40 minutes, 50 minutes, even 90 minutes also. So it's not possible that you can take every ride there. And if there are children with you, you have to be very choosy.
So this particular ride gives you a bird eye view of entire say Universal Studio.
This is another ride. This is basically very slow ride. There is no criteria. Small children also take this ride.
Actually, our daughter is along with us, so we have to be very choosy in rides, as there is as there is a height criteria in every ride. And one more thing, please bring strollers for your little ones, as you have to walk a lot in the Universal Studio.
Yeah, the area is very huge in acres.
And you can bring your own water bottles also. You can fill it up anywhere, as the tap water is also potable in Singapore. For water ride, you have to bring some extra clothing for that.
Let's whirl that pasta back to Earth.
There are n number of food kiosks in Universal Studio, but if we compare to other places, the food kiosks are quite expensive, and the outside food is not allowed in Universal Studio. So this is the meet and greet with Transformer. You can click pictures with transformers, and there are professional photographer also who can click pictures with transformer, and you can anyways get the printout and soft copy of your pictures.
This is transformer. Our daughter enjoyed a lot with this transformer. There is a 5D show also of this transformer.
Yeah, that was a ride actually. So there is a waiting room also with that ride. If you are accompanying with your young ones, one person can accompany your young one and other one can take the ride, and vice versa.
This is where we're heading toward that transformer ride.
So
This
this
is
is one of the
roller coaster ride, and its wait time was more than 90 minutes.
yeah, and this is one of the biggest ride of Universal Studio. Human versus Cyclone. That is the most thrilling ride of Universal Studio. So it's almost around 5:30 p.m.
And this is Ashley
Yeah,
dancing in front of I Love Singapore.
yeah. There is a Lego store just outside Universal Studio.
And this was all about our trip to Universal Studio. And these are a few of our clicks there.
Yeah, and there's like Hershey's shop and other shops, so you can purchase chocolates and Lego toys. Lego shop also.
And this was all about. Please do subscribe our channel, like videos, share as much as you can. Thank you.
Thank you so much.